simple. We're gonna cut our tomatoes. Just a simple salad. If you're vegetarian or you just want to start eating healthy, this is the way to go. I'm gonna have some of this.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eye.
If you want. We can add some black pepper and some salt, just a dash, because it's a little amount. Then we're gonna have some feta. Like I said, it's pretty simple and it's extremely yummy. This is just a you can use, from the store, you can use Greek dressing or you can make your own. So just a little bit. That's roughly like probably 1.5 teaspoons. Mix it around. And like I said, it's pretty simple. You can have it alone, or you can have it with a baguette bread. You can toast it, or you don't have to toast it. Take it like this, mix it around, put it on there. And there to go. So good. And very healthy. So like I said, if you don't have the Greek dressing, you can make your own with olive oil and vinegar, black pepper and salt. Not much. And thank you for watching. Pretty simple and a quick meal to go. Thank you.
And I said, smile, girl, smile.